So that's Scully, and she's sitting next to her favourite brush. She gets brushed with that every day. Okay, so I don't even know how long it is, like 1 year, 1.5 years. I've lost track. So there's a little follow-up on the Scully On 3 Legs playlist. I'm going to show you just these two guys, and if I manage to catch a decent video of them, I'll put together another video. Anyway, let's go say hi to Scully and then Floki. So this brush here, we brush her with this brush like every day, and what we found was she's not so keen on the brush when she's sitting on the couch here, but when she was recovering from her surgery, which was along this side here where the leg was, that's where the stitches were, and it was like itchy, and the feeling of the bristles of this brush, you know, rubbing against like the side was quite a pleasant feeling for her. She quite enjoys it. So we just sort of kept doing it, and she actually quite enjoys this brush, and usually Coco brushes her every day. You just have to be careful, don't press too hard with the brush, but she quite enjoys being brushed. Alright, we'll go see Floki. Here's the other one, Floki. You can see he's a bit fat. He has a bunch of nicknames. We call him Pang Pang, which is Chinese for fat. We call him Xiao Pang Mao, which is small fat cat. Sometimes I call him Xiao Hui, which is small grey. These are all Chinese nicknames. So Floki is fully grown now. He's just over a year old, and he's still very much young at heart, and very much mentally he's still a kitten pretty much. And he's always, not always, he often goes up to Scully and wants to play, and Scully's, you know, Scully's an old lady, so Scully's like, no, don't bother me, you know. So she puts him in his place, and she gives him a hiss. It's all right. And Floki's a wee bit touch sensitive. You know, he'll let you pat him, but if you pat him too much, or you pat him like in the wrong place that he doesn't like he doesn't really like the stomach so much, if you pat him too much, you know, he'll start like scratching you, biting you. He's a wee bit touch sensitive, so you know, you've got to respect him and give him the appropriate amount of petting, and in the places which are acceptable. But yeah, what I've found with cats over the years, and it was with Scully and with the other cat, Seth, we had a tabby cat just like this one, his name was Seth. What I found is that it can take a few years before they become lap cats. Like, they're not always lap cats. And Scully's a lap cat, but for the first 5 years that I had her, she wasn't. And so they, I think it's like winter, you know, you have to go through like a couple of winters before they sort of realise that, oh, I can sit on your lap and you're warm, and that's nice. I like being warm. Yeah. Anyway, there's somebody's operating power tools outside right now, and Floki can hear it, so he's like, oh, what's that? I can hear something. So I built this really cool wooden platform here for them. So you've got like the biscuits, the water, and 2 bowls, and it works quite well, you know. And Floki is very food motivated, so like I'll put down a few biscuits for him, he will come running. You just watch. Ah, you're here already. That was very quick. Did you know that you've been caught on camera? Yeah, you're so predictable. Had enough, huh? Not that hungry. So it's feeding time at the zoo. Yeah? Oh look, there's biscuits over there. You haven't eaten them. Neither of you ate the biscuits. Why are you so fussy? Huh? Meat? You guys want the meat? It's fresh meat. Yeah? There's some for you. Floki. Here's your one. Floki. Come on. Come on. Here, Floki. Over there. Biscuits here too. See? Biscuits. You're just telling me lies. Meat there, you're not eating. Just fussy, aren't you? Always so fussy. Biscuit boy, you love your biscuits. Look, I got cheese. Scully, you see the cheese? Scully, see? There's cheese. You love the cheese, you know you do. Come on. Come on. You know you want it. You know you want it. Come on. Come on. Look, Floki, Scully eats it. See? Yum, look at that. It's her favorite treat. It's a piece of cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Why don't you eat the piece of cheese? Probably best that you don't eat the cheese because you're already a fat cat. This morning, where are they? Oh, look at this, we've got the throw on the couch here. Oh, you're here. I see. You're here. You're here! See, you touch them the wrong way. It gives you a bite. You're a wee bit touch sensitive, huh? It's like, you can't touch me the wrong way. You have to touch me the right way. Yeah, like that. Hey, Scully. Scully. Oh, you like that, Scully? See, you lean into it. Well, she likes the back too, but not as much as the neck. That was the spot where she had the leg removed and it was itchy, so getting brushed there felt nice. Itchy when healing. So Scully, you're very lucky because there was another cat called Pippin, and Pippin had the leg removed too, but sadly Pippin didn't make it. Not everybody makes it. You're lucky you made it. That's enough brush, huh? Can't get enough of the brush. Look at you. That's what my old cat Seth used to do. Get under the blanket.
Privacy, privacy. Where's the privacy? Ask for privacy. Okay, okay.